Top of the line in the Sienna lineup, the Platinum Edition in all-wheel drive. Celestial Silver is the color on this one. In this video, we're going to walk around the exterior. I'll show you all the great features. This van is amazing. Here we go. Completely redesigned in 2023, the Sienna is available only as a hybrid now, 35 miles per gallon. This gets better fuel economy than a Toyota Corolla. Hey, up front, the Platinum Edition has the gloss black grille here. They're all hybrids, so you get that blue glow or halo, if you will, on the Toyota badge. What do you think of the front on this? Huge grille. Toyota's into these big, bold grilles on all their vehicles. Not even a bumper on this one. Take a look at that. It's all grille. So, headlight assembly. Really cool headlights set up for a minivan. Hard to believe it, but I could actually say it's a sporty looking headlight. All LEDs. So LED daytime running lights, LED turn signals, LED high beams, low beams, automatic on and off your headlights, and also automatic high beams. What do you think of those bad boys? Also LED fog lights down here on the bottom. Surrounded by this satin silver trim with a charcoal gray painted grille, and you have parking sensors and pedestrian detection. Also forward facing camera here because we have the View 360 on here. I'll point out some additional cameras as we move through this. Satin silver trim up and over those head lenses, and in the silver, I think it looks killer on this vehicle. So let's head over to the side. Take a look at your wheels and the tires on here. So these are going to be an 18-inch steel wheel with a wheel cover, and it's a chrome wheel cover. The great thing about the wheel covers is if you curb them, you can take these off and get new ones. You don't have to replace the entire wheel. Chrome lug nuts. The tires on here, these are 235 series tires. They're 60 series wide, so they're very smooth ride, very comfortable ride. Four-wheel disc brakes, anti-lock brakes, traction control, stability control is standard. And then this one is an all-wheel drive. So primarily it runs off the front wheels, and then if the system detects slippage, then it'll kick in the rear wheels. The rear wheels are powered by electric motors, and that's how they get all that high fuel economy, 35 miles per gallon out of it, because they don't have to carry around all that extra weight of a drivetrain. They just have the electric motors. Colored to match outside mirrors, LED turn signals. These are power folding mirrors. They have a feature that allows them to fold in when you shift it from park to drive. So if you're parking in a tight parking space, you're good to go there. Blind spot monitoring, heated outside mirrors, power mirrors. They're also breakaway mirrors. They also collapse and fold in. If somebody hits it with a grocery cart, that'll minimize damage. Now there's a lot of chrome on this one, including the chrome door handles, smart keyless entry system standard, chrome trim up and over the windows. Notice privacy glass on these back windows. These are also power windows, so these ones go up and down. And then we do have kick sensors on all four doors. There's a sensor underneath here. Pass your foot underneath there, and it will open that door up. The other passenger door does that, as well as the rear tailgate. So that's a pretty cool feature, especially if you've got packages in your hands. And then kick it again and away it goes. Now I do like the fact that they use that matte black ABS trim here, so when you close your doors, you're less likely to scratch that up. Luggage rack is standard in satin silver. Power sliding moonroof is standard on the Platinum Edition as well. The rocker panels are all gloss black, matches up nicely with that front grille fascia that we saw. I love the body lines on the Sienna, the way it comes down low near the rocker panels and then swoops up over the rear wheels, gives it some really bold shoulders. Gas door is going to be right here on the driver's side, I'm sorry. And then take a look at these huge tail lights that they've got on here. Kind of a teardrop design, the way they kind of fold and come down on the wheel wall there. Gloss black bezels all the way around your tail lights. Those of course are LEDs as well. We've got a color to match shark fin antenna, color to match third high mounted spoiler, black trim here, and then privacy glass across the back window. We do have tinted windows or privacy glass, rear window defrost. I like the way they've put the third brake light behind the glass so it doesn't stick out here. When you wash your window, you get the third brake light cleared off. There's also an additional camera mounted in there as well, because this has the upgraded rear view mirror on there. Hybrid badging here, chrome silver Sienna. All-wheel drive is chrome, and then also platinum, and the hybrid badge is all in chrome. There is a backup camera right here. Here's your extra camera for your rear view mirror and also for the 360 view. The rear bumper is gloss black painted. Does have your parking sensors, and then there's a little bit of satin silver trim there in the lower part of that bumper as well. So a real great look on this. I think that they really nailed it on the exterior style on this. Again, it was completely redesigned in 2021, and they did a super nice job. Let's go ahead and pop the hood, take a look at the engine. So as I mentioned before, the Sienna is now available with a hybrid power plant, only as a hybrid. No more V6s on the Sienna. And so we've got two things going on here. We've got our gasoline engine here, a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine, 16 valve with variable valve timing, and it's connected to a CVT transmission. This side over here is the electric components for your hybrid system, the mechanical system up front. The combined horsepower on here comes in at 245 horsepower. Fuel economy combined is 35 miles per gallon. Now your hybrid system has two warranties on them. One of them that they have is a 8-year 100,000 mile mechanical warranty, and then a 10-year 150,000 mile battery warranty, and that's new. And then the engine and the transaxle, that has a 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty, no deductible on that. And then you also get Toyota Care, which covers your basic maintenance, so your oil changes, your fluid top offs, and your tire rotations. Toyota covers that for 5 years, 2 years 25,000 miles, and there's no extra charge for that. And then the vehicle itself has a 3-year 36,000 mile limited warranty, and no deductible on that either. So that's a quick look at the exterior on the 23 Platinum Edition Toyota Sienna. This is an all-wheel drive edition. Hey, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. Feel free to share it out, and then keep your eyes out at the end of this for a link to the interior overview. This is Tony talking car biz. Thanks for watching.